Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Do you need to update your fleet or remove a car from your Uber driver account? It's super simple to delete an old vehicle, especially if you've recently sold it or it's no longer in service. Keeping your profile current ensures riders always see accurate information, which is key for a professional experience. This guide will walk you through the easy steps for 2025, ensuring your account is always perfectly up to date and ready. Let's begin by opening the Uber Driver app on your smartphone. Once it's loaded, you'll typically find the main menu icon, often 3 horizontal lines, in the top corner. Sometimes, it's also your profile picture. Tapping this will reveal a comprehensive list of options, allowing you to access all your crucial settings. This is your first step towards managing your vehicles effectively. Now, within this main menu, look for a section labeled either Account or directly Vehicle. Tapping on this will usually open up more options. From there, select Vehicles to see a complete list of every car currently registered to your Uber driver profile. Carefully choose the specific vehicle you wish to remove from your account, making sure it's the correct one. Once you've selected the correct vehicle, you should see an option to remove or delete it. This is typically located right beside the vehicle's details. After tapping, a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure about this action. Always double-check your choice before proceeding. Once you tap Yes or Confirm, the vehicle will be permanently deleted from your Uber driver profile. After confirming the deletion, you'll receive an immediate in-app notification verifying that the vehicle has been successfully removed. Your Uber driver profile is now completely updated, reflecting your current active fleet. You are officially ready to accept new rides with your remaining vehicles. Remember, if you get a new car, you can always add it back through these same simple settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.